Hi everybody, today we're going to do an unboxing video of our new micro:bit Educator Bundle. So this is a nice kit. It comes with 16 micro:bits, 16 USB cables, and 16 battery packs. So it's kind of like the micro:bit Go kits, but we've got a couple nice extras here. So first of all, it comes in this nice handy carrying case, which is a nice little handle here. You can carry it around. Easy for putting it away. Let's open it up. And inside is a colorful assortment of boxes with individually packed micro:bit kits containing your micro:bit, this nice USB cable. It's longer than most that you would get, and a battery pack with a switch. Which is nicer than most battery packs. Most battery packs don't come with the switch, so it makes it easier. You're going to not kill your battery as much because you can turn it off and you don't have to unplug it every time. So yeah, we hope you like this kit. Let us know if you have any questions. Always, you can visit at elmwood.to, and thank you for watching.